We will be looking at the first version of Talk Like Pro. It's a very basic application. It gets you step by step instructions on how to say, what to say when you're talking to your boss. It's not just limited to a boss, but any of the professional one-on-one face-to-face conversations, but casual conversations as well. So let's start chatting. I will just quickly switch the theme to light. And yeah, so few of the examples here. The third one says that how do I convince my boss that I deserve a raise, right? So when you click on that, it will go and ask AI the exact dialogue that you should say to your boss in order for them to get impressed and maximize your chances of getting a raise. So right now the response is pretty average, but that's okay. I'll be working more on this. My next step is to actually let you query. And so what this AI will do, it will reference the best books on this matter. So when I'm talking like okay, how do I convince my boss, or how do I hire somebody, or just for the sake of it, how can Elia suggest OpenAI board members to focus on safety, so what it will do, it will fetch the most relevant books and most relevant pieces of documents that it can. So the best books written on this matter will be used as a reference for the AI specifically to know and fetch you the things from that. So what usually happens whenever you study mathematics, what happens, you know a formula, you study it, you understand the concept for a while, and then you practice and practice. You cannot just be reading maths. And but I think that's how most of the instructions should be, or more, almost every skill in the world should be like that skills. So any of the self-help book, they bombard you with knowledge, but what they don't do, they don't give you a specific exercises or a planned out manner for you to carry out your exercises based upon any of the concept or any of the excerpt or paragraph that you just read. What Talk Like Pro will do, it will just you can ask it for any of your professional, or suppose you're going to a gym and there's this one really attractive person that you want to talk to but you don't know how. Go and ask Talk Like Pro with that. It will query, it will extract out the best book in the world on this particular topic, extract out the exact para and the exact phrase. Will use that and use the artificial intelligence to create the best response possible for you. So go and approach that person, say that dialogue, use that body language which Talk Like Pro is going to suggest you, and to maximize your chances. Whatever the replies comes, or whatever the situation, wherever it goes, just all of the situation, you can come back to Talk Like Pro, explain it the entire thing all over again, and then get responses. So you can just keep on carrying on this thing entire process for a week or month or whatever you want. And it works in negotiation. So every round of negotiations for any of a big acquisitions or anything goes for around months. And those are like recurring situations, face on face meetings that you have to go. So maybe go explain the entire situation to Talk Like Pro, and it can be your buddy to give you the best possible references and the best possible dialogues, clearly crafted crazily for you, and for you to know this thing. So there you go. Please try Talk Like Pro. The website is talklike.pro. As the name suggests, probably the problem is that it's a little bit slow to load. It will redirect to you this app runner website. So Talk Like Pro is the name. Anyway, see you around, and thank you for watching.